Are you tired of people telling you that you have a rounded back, that your shoulders are going too far forward, your head is going too far forward? Are you tired of feeling tension and soreness in your upper back and up into your neck? I'm going to show you 5 amazing exercises that you can do right now to help relieve that tension, bring your posture back, so people stop telling you to change your posture. Let's do this. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Rob Murray with Murray Family Chiropractic. I'm a posture specialist and I love to make people feel good and feel great about themselves. We are going to do an exercise video now that is live time. I'm going to do the exercises with you so you can just follow along. We are going to do 5 amazing exercises that are going to stretch out the front of your chest, strengthen your upper back, improve your posture, reduce pain and tension. So let's get going with exercise number 1, which is called wall angels. And for wall angels, of course, you're going to need a wall. What I'd like you to do is back up, put your feet against the bottom of the wall, your bum against the wall, your mid-back against the wall, and your head against the wall. Try to keep your chin down if you can, but if you have lots of tightness, your head may come up a little bit. We want to get your arms against the wall as well. And you want to feel your elbow against the wall, your wrist against the wall. Now, if you have a previous shoulder injury, you may have a hard time when you're doing your motion here to keep your arm against the wall. Don't worry about that. Just do your best. Try to keep your wrists and your elbows against the wall as you bring your arms up. We want to do about 10 to 12 reps. So that's 2. Now, because my ceiling is short, I'm going to kneel down a bit here. And now I can go further up. I have previous shoulder injuries myself, and so as I get further up in the motion, my elbows start to move further away from the wall. But just do what you can do. Now we're at 6. You're doing great. Nice, slow, steady motion. Feel your back pressing against the wall. Now we're at 9. Try to get your motion up higher as you get further into the exercise. 11. We got 1 more in us. Fantastic. That's a wall angel. So exercise number 2 is almost kind of like a row exercise, an extension exercise, external rotation of the shoulder to strengthen your rhomboid muscles in your upper back that will help bring your shoulders back, and you don't have to think about holding your shoulders back because your muscles are doing it for you naturally. The easy way to do this exercise is to just put your hands out in front of you and then bring your arms back and feel your shoulder blades pinching together. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds and then relax and repeat. We want to do 10 to 12 reps again. That's 2, 3, 4. Nice, slow, steady motion. 5, 6. For the second half of this exercise, I'm going to show you a more advanced, harder version to do. But if you don't want to do this version, just keep continuing to do your last 6 repetitions with the previous exercise standing up. But now I'm going to show you prone tees, a harder version of this exercise. You're going to lay down on your stomach, arms out to the side, and you're going to lift your hands up off the floor. Pinch your shoulder blades together, hold for a few seconds. 8, 9, 10, 11, and 1 more, 12. So when doing these exercises, you can do 10 to 12 repetitions of whatever method you prefer to do. For the third exercise, we're going to do a different motion. Now you can do this standing up, but I'm going to do it kneeling just because of my low ceilings. With your arms starting at your side, you want to bring them out, up and back, like you're making the letter Y. Pinch your shoulder blades together in the back, hold for a few seconds, and then repeat. Again, we're going to do 10 to 12 reps. 4, 5, nice, steady, slow motion. and 6. Now I'm going to show a more advanced version of this exercise where you're laying down prone again. Okay, so we're laying down again. This time our arms are up in front of us in the Y position, and we're going to go ahead and do that Y motion. Lifting off the floor. With my previous shoulder injuries, this exercise is really challenging for me. Rep 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we're going to do an exercise that's going to strengthen muscles more out on the side of the back to help hold you back. This is called prone supermans. Normally you would lift your legs in this exercise as well. I'm going to leave that optional up to you. I just really want you to focus on your arm movements for strengthening your shoulders and upper back. Prone supermans. Your arms are out ahead of you. You're going to lift your body up a little bit, lift your arms up and bring them back, elbows down by your side. Do your best to keep your hands, arms, elbows off of the floor for as much of the motion as you can. 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice smooth motion. 10. You get 2 more in you. 11. Hey, if you haven't done so already, please like the video, give a comment, and subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more great content on how you can protect your spine and feel better at the same time. We're going to finish with some stretches for your shoulders and your chest so we can loosen up muscles to let your shoulders come back more easily. First, let's do a cross-body stretch with your arm, where you grab the upper part of your arm, bring it across your body. Picture your shoulder blade moving away from your midline of your back. Feel that stretch in the upper shoulder blade. Some people like to do this stretch by keeping their arm up like this. We want to hold it for a good 20 to 30 seconds. Focus on that shoulder blade stretching away. And of course, we're going to repeat for the other side. Feel that shoulder blade moving away. Nice steady pull, no jerky motions. We want to hold for a good 20 to 30 seconds. Make sure you're breathing through this. Now that we've done the hard work, this is the easy part. Next stretch, we're going to stretch your upper traps. Drop your left arm down behind your back, and then grab your head on the left side. You want to tilt your head down, but also turn your head down like you're looking into your armpit. This is going to stretch a deep muscle along with the traps that's called the levator scapulae. It's the one that gives you that really tight knot feeling at the top corner of the shoulder blade. Hold for a good 20 to 30 seconds. Nice smooth motion. As the stretch goes on, you can apply a little more pressure. Good job. Let's do the other side now. Right hand down behind your back, left hand over, pulling your head to the left. Look down towards your left armpit, 45-degree angle. Nice smooth motion. Nice relaxed breathing. And wonderful. The last stretch is probably the most important one. We need to stretch out our tight chest muscles. We get way too tight when we drive cars, type on computers, hold our phones, and in order to improve our posture, take stress off of our rounded shoulders, we need to stretch our chest muscles. So you're going to want to put your hand on the wall, and then you're going to move your upper body to the opposite direction, and I can feel a nice pull across the front of my left shoulder down into my chest. You want your hand to be slightly higher than your shoulder. Nice, smooth, continuous stretch, holding for 20 to 30 seconds. When I do this, I almost feel like my hand's attached to the wall and I'm turning but also pulling my body away from the wall. Wonderful. Now for your other side, we're going to put your right hand on the wall, higher than your shoulder. Turn your body to the left. Feel that pull across the front of the shoulder into the chest. Nice steady motion. Feel like your hand is planted into the wall and you're pulling away from the wall, rotating your body. As the stretch goes on, you can pull a little bit harder. Nice 20 to 30 second stretch. Nice calm breathing. I can feel my shoulder loosening up already. This is amazing. And there we go. You can also do this stretch on a doorway in your household by resting your forearm on the frame of the doorway and leaning your body forward to stretch open your shoulder. I'm going to put an image in here so you can see what it looks like. And if your arms are long enough and you're the right size, you can do both arms at once on the doorway, stretching your chest forward as your arms are planted on the door frame. Do these exercises at least 3 times a week and you will see over time that your shoulders will come back, you'll have less tension in your upper back, and people won't tell you to stop slouching as much. Thanks for watching. I'm Dr. Rob Murray with Murray Family Chiropractic in Newmarket, Ontario. I'll see you at the next video.